So what's up, guys? I haven't been on Instagram for some time. In fact, I've not been on social media for some time. And what was I using my time to do? Well, there was this thing, I had creative block, and I wanted to find out why I had that. And I found out that it's because my basics, I keep forgetting my basics. So throughout the time I haven't posted anything on Instagram, I've been going to study, learn about basics again. Well, one thing I want you guys to know is that when you have creative block, just know why you have it. For me, it's not that I don't totally know my basics. I do know my basics, but I have problem with layouts, placing things right. So I went to study about that deep, and I learned the other basics, the principles. I learned that. So you guys should know why you're having creative block.